guys. Well, it's almost afternoon, but we are on our way to go get Kevin, our new German Shepherd. Kevin. We are, Kevin's about 3 hours from us, so rather than making a 6-hour trip in one day, we're gonna drive 4 hours to my sister's and then spend the night there, and then tomorrow go get Kevin and then make the 3-hour drive back. So we're excited. On the road.
Road again.
We love taking trips, so this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, sure.
Can't wait. Tomato.
You made my face all wet, Chatty.
Tomato.
Honestly, I don't even know if I have a favorite.
We go get Kevin today. I'm excited, but I'm nervous.
Yeah.
I didn't vlog a lot yesterday, just a little bit. We're getting Kevin. Go Kevin. He's really anxious, but we're about to make a long drive home. He did really well in the car on the way back to my sister's house from where we got him, but
yeah, we got some work to do with him.
Yeah, he doesn't like being on the leash. The last lady did not put him on the leash.
Otherwise, he's pretty good.
He's a great boy, huh? You're gonna do so well. I know, it's gonna be a long ride, but we got it. You wanna say hi? I know. Okay. Kevin, where's Bill? Kevin, where is she?
He's gonna be tired.
Mm-hmm. Bill is gonna be tired. Bill could do this all day.
He's not giving up.
No.
Where's he at, Belle? She's gonna be tired too.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What's him doing? What are your ears doing, silly goose?
Oh, God.
He loves his daddy.
Oh.
Oh, Kev. I'll pet you, but my arm is trapped. Good boy. Good morning, Kev. You want to say hi to the people? Say good morning. Good morning from a stinky boy. You didn't even eat all your breakfast. Oh, big boy. No bite. Thank you.